Good morning, everyone. We're gonna try this again. Yesterday I was up in this area, did my vlog, got home, uploaded it, and no sound. No sound. So we're gonna give this a shot again. Where am I at? Let me show you. Somebody even asked me about this area up here. I am up here by the Dau Bus Terminal. Somebody asked me, are things picking up at the bus terminals? Are people traveling? Well, one way to find out, right? Go up to the bus terminal, go to an airport. That way you can get a good feeling if people are traveling, what they are doing. So we are up here today at Dau Bus Terminal. Last time I was up here, it was pretty empty. How many buses? Hey, nice Toyota Rush. Looks like mine, but it's not. This McDonald's over there, that used to be a McDonald's over there, where it says Papa Joey's now. Down below used to be a McDonald's. That went out of business. That went out of business during the pandemic. They just kind of closed shop, and that was that. I always liked walking around here, especially when we had our store. Our store was back behind the Dau Bus Terminal. Our very first store we had. I miss the store. That was fun. Very enjoyable. I miss the people. I don't miss the headache of, having a store and all the hours you put in, and Luke doesn't miss it with the running around and all the craziness, but we do miss the people. We miss all the people that used to come to our store and buy things and hang out. Oh, and somebody asked me, there's some piña. Oh, he does that. I think he's done that a few times, huh? Yeah. Yeah, he's done that a few times. Will you sell all these by the end of the day? These will all be sold by the end of the day?
No.
No? You still have some left over, huh? All right. Can't beat it. Fresh pineapple. Somebody asked me about Anna. Have I seen Anna? I have not seen Anna since Christmas time, before we went down to Puerto Galera. That's the thing with her, like, she'll disappear for a month and a half, and then boom, she'll just pop up. So the next time I see her, I will definitely talk to her, find out what she's been up to. She always tells me what she's been up to. Sometimes you can believe her, sometimes you can't believe her. So no, I haven't seen her for a while. Anyways, here we are. This is the Dau Bus Terminal here. This is the main entrance coming off this road here. You got these vans here, these UV Express services. Now they'll go to different areas too. They'll load them up, these vans, and go to different areas throughout, Luzon area, maybe to Manila. There's Dau Mabalacat. The thing is, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for these vans to fill, and you're in them. You're in them. You're jammed in there with everybody else. Every seat is filled. Hey, good morning. All right.
Anything for you, sir?
Huh?
Anything for you? Where you going?
Oh no, I'm walking. I'm walking. Yeah.
Video, huh?
Yeah. I'm not taking a van.
Yeah.
Where's this van go?
Yeah, you drop to Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Yes.
Okay. Makano to ride a van?
150 one person.
150 per person.
Yes.
Okay, that ain't bad. All right. Salamat, kuya.
Salamat.
All right. And here's your trike. So when you get off the bus, no, thank you. Here's your trike, guys. But when you get off the bus, they're ready to take you wherever you gotta go. It's not very busy. I've come down here many a times pre-pandemic, and buses are just flowing in and out of the terminal here. Morning. Morning. Food stalls are open. Some are open, some are closed. Not too many people. You always just look in front of the bus. It tells you, usually tells you where they are running in and out of. Tarlac, SM Metro. Big old bag of chicharron. Chicharron, hello. Solid North. I'm gonna ask him. Hey buddy, do you need vax to ride buses? You need vaccination? No vax? Alright. Just checking. Everything's good to go, huh? 100% capacity. Alright. He says no. That's a big bag of chicharron. Where's that chicharron come from? Yeah, but where? Where at? Bulacan.
Yes.
Okay.
From Bulacan.
All right. Good deal. Thank you. Thank you very much, my friend. You can always find good chicharron down here. Really good chicharron. You can see it's not very full. Now, I was told come Holy Week, which is coming up, that things will get more jumping in here because a lot of Filipinos do travel during Holy Week. That one's Baguio Tarlac. That's the Genesis bus. That is not the one that goes point to point. The one that goes point to point is from down around the airport there, all the way up to SM Clark. Now, this area is a little bit more busier than what I've seen in the past. Victory Liner. This used to be just bus upon bus pulling in, and they would line up back through, and it was crazy through here. But it has definitely picked up from the last time I was here. Well, not including yesterday, but months ago. It has definitely picked up. They no longer go out that way. We'll walk all the way through here. Here you go, San Fernando, Tarlac, Olongapo, Victory Liners. I've ridden all these bus companies. Victory, Solid North, Rabbit. I kind of like the Solid North. I like their buses. But they'll all get you to where you gotta go, right? Olongapo. All right.
Water terminal.
No, thank you.
Sir, pili na po, sir.
No, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Just looking. Where's the chicharron come from?
This Bulacan.
Bulacan. It's all Bulacan. What area has the best chicharron? Bulacan? Yeah. All right. Just asking. Olongapo. A couple buses here. Olongapo. Dagupan. Dagupan? Sure, they're all waiting for Holy Week. Because if there's no restrictions and people can travel freely, These bus terminals will be packed full of people during Holy Week. They'll pack these buses so tight, they got people sitting and standing in the aisles. That's how tight they pack these buses. We always say free Wi-Fi. I've always tried to get on the free Wi-Fi on the bus and never have succeeded. This is Dau Bus Terminal. That's where we're at. Dau Bus Terminal. Morning. Cubao, that's going to Cubao. Oh, Chow King there. Chow King. Snacks, vendors. Oh. Oh. Hi. How's business? Good? Doing better? Well, that's good. Where's the chicharron come from?
Bulacan.
Bulacan. They have the best chicharron out of Bulacan?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Waiting for Holy Week, right? Things will pick up. I talked to her yesterday. I don't know if she remembers me or not. Chopai. Mr. Donuts is closed. Wow. If you ever rode in these buses, as soon as they pull in here, you always get vendors hopping on the buses selling, like there's a water vendor, a soda vendor, that's some type of pie he's selling. But they'll always hop on the buses. They just walk down the aisle and try to sell their product. I'm going to take a walk up through here. Every time you pull in, every time. Here's your trike stand here. So if you get off the bus here, want to grab a trike, there's your trike stand. Any point of Pampanga. You just got to work a deal with them. Always work a deal. To the left here is so good, so clean, so go. I always like walking up here. No, thank you. There's another trike line right here. To the left here is you got all these little stores here. A lot of military surplus over here. We'll walk up here, walk under here and show it to you if you haven't seen it before. I know, I'll get there. There's all your military surplus stuff. Now, I was told from a subscriber whose wife has a few of these little military surplus stores here, that a lot of this stuff is sold to like your your local military, your police, your PNP, local police, security guards come here. That's who buys a lot of this stuff. Unless, good morning. Unless you're into this. Of course, you can come here and buy all this if you want. But it's pretty neat. I always like walking through here. They're probably going through, getting their recyclable stuff out here. Good morning. They're getting recyclables. Yeah, they're getting recycles. Recycle? Yeah, getting the plastic and stuff. Yeah, that's what they're doing. Just one store after another store after another store, huh? These people sit here all day long in these stores. It does go back in, and it's the same thing back in there as you find up front here. I would imagine they ship things around the Philippines when people order stuff. Some leather saddlebags right there, and it says Harley on them. Wow, that's pretty cool. Those are nice saddlebags. You can smell the leather. Nice. All right. You see it? Getting back to the buses, guys. That's one thing. I cannot do the bus thing for days upon days. You know, to get down to Lutz Province, if you take the bus, you're sitting on that bus for 3, almost 4 days. Now they do stop, so you can, you know, use a CR and grab stuff to eat, but I mean, a lot of the buses don't have CRs, toilets. CRs are comfort room or a bathroom. A lot of them don't have the bathroom on it, so you're sitting on that bus, and if you gotta go, you better hope they pull over and let you go. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are ya?
How you
Is your bikes?
Right.
Yes.
Where you riding? Where you riding to?
Pampanga to Pangasinan.
Pampanga to
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan? How many kilometers is that?
And 200 kilometers.
Really? That's a lot of kilometers. You gonna do that one day? Oh, you're young and you're strong, right? Yeah, you're young and strong. All right, guys. Shout out. Shout out.
Okay, mama ko.
Who? What?
Shout out sa mga taxi.
All right, all right. Yeah. Getting back, there's no CR, so you're stuck on that bus without a CR. Then you gotta sleep. No, I can't do the long distance. I can do the, you know, the couple of hours to, you know, go down to Manila, you know, something like that. Maybe even Baguio, but days upon days, I can't do the bus thing. Anyways, we just kind of did like a big old square. Big square. God bless Mamalaka. You can still see they still have the Christmas decorations up. Wonder when they'll take them down. Probably after Holy Week. Who knows, right? So anyways, guys, there it was. There it is. Just my little stroll around. I'm at the 19-minute mark. So if you watched this all the way up till now, thank you so much. Remember, guys, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Almost at that 91,000 mark. Trying to get that 100,000 before the New Year's. Can't do it without you guys. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.